Alright, hello guys. So Lily has a concert today, right? It's your spring concert, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna be getting her ready. For her concert, she wants her hair curled, so I'm gonna curl her hair. And yeah, is this what you're gonna wear for your concert, or are you changing?
I'm
Changing. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little kind of tutorial, but you guys are just gonna pretty much get ready with us for the most part. So yeah, let's go.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down.
Alright, so we got her hair done. You wanna show your hair again? We did a half up, half down, curled it, and then she wants me to do her makeup too, so that's what we're gonna do. What are you thinking for your makeup? What do you want to do?
blue because that's my concert dress.
That's your what? Concert dress? Alright, be careful with the curling iron though, because it gets real hot. Gonna move those over there so they don't melt.
Yeah.
Alright, she had to take her hearing aids out at the beginning because she forgot to.
Yeah.
They were going to get burnt if she didn't. So we moved it, but you like your hair so far?
Yeah.
That's
So
good.
far.
Well, because I know, do you see the curl at the top?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
It's cute?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. I think it's because of your bangs. That's why that one's short.
With blonde hair down. Suffering glass A.
Cute. Alright.
Makeup time.
Makeup time. I'm gonna unplug this. I'm gonna move this out of the way so it's not in our way.
She pushes on hard. But she pushes on down. Suffering your glass A.
Alright, you want some blush too? Or
Yes.
yeah, okay.
Blush.
Blush, blush, blush.
Blush, blush. Blush, blush, blush.
Alright,
Ooh,
ready?
that's pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
And it's cold.
Gotta make sure that's clean.
I'm
You want
sorry.
contour too or just blush?
That's contour.
It's like the brown that goes on the sides of your face, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What were you gonna say? I interrupted you.
I think I already said it.
What'd you say?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Forget.
I think I'm gonna use this so it's easier to blend here. Tell the camera what we were talking about.
Helen Keller and other things and stories that I got that I read in,
In class.
yeah, in class,
And Martin Luther King
Yeah.
and Ruby Bridges.
which I didn't know who that was.
Do a dolled up on Daisy. Here, turn your head this way.
Looks like I have doo-doo on my face.
Alright, look at me.
Little tongue. Soften your style. I have a bushy blonde hair though.
You do.
Yeah, bushy blonde hair though. Bushy blonde hair. Yes.
You're silly.
No,
Oh yeah.
I'm not. I'm just kidding. Ah,
Sorry. Okay.
food here.
We're almost done.
Guys, we're gonna eat food after I do my makeup.
We are.
Now I'm gonna get dressed in my pretty dress.
Make sure you wash this all off your face when you get home, okay? If you need help, you can ask me. Oh my goodness!
I'm princess.
You are a princess.
This eye tickles.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, what are we gonna do next? highlights.
Yes, we are.
Looks like I already have one.
It does look like you already have highlight.
No.
Show what you got.
I got burger and chicken nuggets and french fries. And I got mini
And then she's gonna get her dress on and get ready, right? Well, you're already ready besides the dress, but. Silly girl. Silly girl.